Someone asked how to roast peanuts Indian style in air fryer. So this recipe is my answer. Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. If you are crazy about peanuts and also want to include protein in your diet, especially post COVID, go for this chatpata Indian snack. I have made the masala roasted peanuts recipe in air fryer. The process to make spicy peanuts recipe in air fryer cuts down on the fat content significantly. In fact, you do not need to deep fry ground nuts and can enjoy these masala nuts as a healthy Indian snack. So let's get started with the fried peanuts recipe. To make air fryer peanut masala, you need 1 cup of peanuts. You may take more. I have used the locally grown nuts in the villages of Orissa. Local farmers visit homes to sell their fresh produce. I often roast air fryer peanuts in shell that makes them crispy. But for this recipe, let's make Indian air fryer masala peanuts. So the next task was to uncover the nuts, which is quite tedious and time taking and of course boring. When your peanuts are ready, let's soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. Now, prepare the masala. Add 3 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour to a bowl. Throw in half teaspoon of salt. You may add little more depending on your taste preference. 1 teaspoon of homemade coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and 1 tablespoon of oil. You may take any oil of choice. I have taken extra virgin olive oil. Mix. Drain soaked peanuts and start mixing with the besan masala. Make sure no water enters the besan masala. If it looks watery, add more besan. Let the prepared peanut masala sit on the counter marinated for 1 hour, at least for 1 hour. Then bake masala peanuts in air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes 160 degrees Celsius. Timing might vary from an air fryer to air fryer. Check if the masala has dried. If not, you may bake for 5 to 10 minutes more. My air fryer roasted peanuts in 25 minutes. Masala peanuts will crisp up outside at room temperature. And remember, timing tends to vary from an oven to an air fryer and from an air fryer to air fryer. So keep an eye on your nuts. While the temperature remains the same, timing might vary from one appliance to another. You know your machine better. I hope you enjoy making this spicy peanut masala at home and relish this during the rainy season. But watch on your portion, please. Stay safe, stay blessed until we meet next. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.